With the Samsung Galaxy S24 lineup just released, it's easy to forget that the S23 FE launched last month. At £599, is it worth it? I have some thoughts. The S23 FE rocks a sleek design in pastel colours. No camera bumps here that really stick out. There's 3 cameras that are seamlessly integrated into the phone. Although the edges are a bit sharp in the hand, it's lightweight and feels premium, especially for this price. Now, in terms of display, we have a 6.4-inch AMOLED display running at 120Hz. And despite the chunky bezels, the display is impressive with its vibrancy and smoothness. Under the hood, it packs a Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 in some markets, but in the UK, we're stuck with the Exynos 2200 chip. Now, yeah, it's a bit of a dated and not the highest end chip, but in real world, it's fine, and I've experienced no performance issues so far. Now, for the camera, we got the main 50 megapixel main shooter, and it delivers solid pictures, but probably not what you'd expect if you was paying for a flagship phone. But it's more than decent for the average user. The 3x telephoto, though, it's not so great, only 8 megapixels. You're not going to get stunning quality or vibrancy here. But if you want something good, selfie lovers, you've got a 10 megapixel camera on the front of the phone, which is actually really good. For the battery, we have a 4500 milliamp hour battery, and it keeps the phone going all day. I don't think you'll experience any issues. But in terms of bad news, we've only got 25-watt charging still, so we're still not getting the fast charging that you get on other phones. Now, here's the twist. If you're a tech enthusiast expecting bleeding edge specs, then obviously this phone isn't for you. But at £600, it's definitely worth looking at. And if you don't want to pay those really expensive flagship prices, I actually think this is actually a solid choice. But what do you think? Would you get the S23 FE or would you go for the S24 lineup? Let me know down in the comments. Thanks for watching. Like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Cheers.